Today we are going to do a very no makeup, just everyday, without any foundation or concealer, nothing, just your compact if you have, and your kajal and lipstick. That's more than enough to start and do your full face also when you are in rush and you're really not in the mood of doing any makeup. So I'm just going to use my moisturizer here and complete my face with this. So let's start. At the same time, you will have people who love kajal can watch this video completely, because I'm going to show people, just because if at all you have to apply foundation then only you can have kajal for all day long. No, this video is mainly about having kajals all day long, keeping it smudge proof, transfer proof. So please keep on watching. I am applying my moisturizer here as I showed my Pond's moisturizer. Just wash your face and start doing your no makeup, no foundation, no concealer, just a simple look without all this. Just apply your moisturizer, but you'll have a long lasting kajal with your bold lips. You can carry this look anytime, anywhere. Choice is yours. So let's get started. Just take any compact what you're using. You can see the difference with one and here. Just a compact can give a very good coverage. So I've just applied my moisturizer and I'm applying my compact now. So I'll apply this side the same way. It's just very simple, basic, everyday look. Within just minutes you can finish your face. Apply on your neck, your eyes, wherever you feel you require more. Just apply powder a little bit more. So after applying your compact, take your kajal and start applying wherever
उसने मुझे छुआ भी नहीं, ऐसा वैसा कुछ हुआ भी नहीं, नजर थी पहनी हुई बेचैनी, आंखों आंखों में शैतानी हो गई, सैया ने देखा ऐसे मैं पानी पानी हो गई, मैं पानी पानी हो गई, मैं पानी पानी हो गई।
चलेगी क्या ग्लास पड़ा है खाली भरेगी क्या, साथ है लौंडे से डरेगी क्या, अंदर की फीलिंग से लड़ेगी क्या, हैं हद हो गई हद से आगे भी बढ़ेगी क्या, 9 एकड़ में फार्म फार्म पे घोड़े घोड़े पे चढ़ेगी क्या, 1 2 3 गाड़ी के बोनट से निकले परी, लौंडे आगे कहीं टेकते नहीं, बातें हैं कड़ी मेरी लिख ले कहीं, चल निकले कहीं
ऐसी हो कोई कभी कोई ही नहीं, आंखें मिली है जब से सोई ही नहीं, दुनिया से सुने हैं किस्से तेरे, जाने क्या आएगा इससे मेरे, इसी ख्याल में दीवानी हो गई, सैया ने देखा ऐसे मैं पानी पानी हो गई,
water test.
सैया ने देखा ऐसे मैं पानी पानी हो गई।
It's not going to spread, though it is powder, it is going to be transfer proof. At the same time here I'm going to do, because I've done liner here, so both the sides you can just see it is completely transfer proof and smudge proof, so you need not worry about it. The makeup is not going to, because we have not done with foundation or concealer, but yes, your kajal and lipstick is going to stay all day long. You will thank me later, but yes, this technique when you do with your kajal and powder, it's going to be smudge proof and transfer proof. At the same time with the liner you can get the same way transfer proof and smudge proof. So try this. You will very basic, no makeup look for every day. If you're not interested in using any foundation or any concealer or something, just with basic compact, and you are done. So, and if you are interested, you don't want lipstick, you can omit this step completely. But yes, kajal will frame your face, because this will look bare. Bare face, there's nothing on your face, but yes, kajal will frame your face, at the same time give a dimension to your eyes, that nothing is plain on your face. But yes, at the same time you can do this technique to make it smudge proof and transfer proof. So please do try and let me know how it is. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and at the same time follow on my Insta page. I do put a quick easy hacks and daily tutorials on my YouTube channel. So follow, like, share, subscribe. Thank you.
रहने दे, मुंह बंद रख, आंखें जो कहती हैं कहने दे, बहुत रुकी है आज तू पानी बन के खुद को बहने दे।
कैसे मैं पानी पानी हो गई।